Welcome again to my video channel. In this short video, I will let Forex Shark, the developer of the Drip ecosystem, talk about Drip, the animal farm and his upcoming projects, and how he is looking at the current bear market. This is an extract from the latest AMA that Forex did with Crypto Kingz, but I took out the specific part in which Forex talks about the future for his new projects and why he is so bullish about them. One more thing before I play the interview. Forex has just released an updated version of the Animal Farm Ecosystem whitepaper. The paper explains in detail how the platform will allow you to earn money with pigs, dogs and drip in the pig pen, the piggy bank and the drip garden. It's absolutely crazy, and once the farms and pools will be working again, this will be one of my favorite money-making platforms. You can find the whitepaper download link below this video. I am also very bullish on the Drip ecosystem, and I never turned my back on Drip or Forex, like many other YouTubers did recently. You know the names. Don't ever give in to the FUD. Keep hydrating as much as possible, and you will be rewarded. I really believe that Drip will rise again. It's been paying out 1% daily since its launch more than 1 year ago, and these bottom prices for Drip and pigs will soon be gone when Forex releases his projects. The animal farm is almost complete and ready for takeoff. Scratchies and the pig pen game are coming. Just be patient. Forex said that those who are keeping the faith will be rewarded later. Everyone else who sells now at the bottom will lose. It's that simple. I bought more single-digit Drip and I will keep compounding in the Faucet every day to grow my balance and earn more Drip until max payout. This is my personal opinion. You may find me too optimistic, or call me a Drip maximalist, I don't care. I'm not a financial advisor, and you are responsible for your own actions, but Drip will be a life-changing experience for me. Let me play the fragment for you so you can listen to what he has to say.
Whenever I launch something, I really don't pay too much attention to the day-to-day swings or month-to-month swings in the market, because that's not something you can control. Really, what I can control is preparing as much as we can, building as good products as we can, and promoting them as much as we can. But when it comes to the major cycles in the market, of course I can't control it, but we can kind of work around them. And I think that partly due to luck, right? Because you need some luck when you're doing these things, and partly just, by design, we are going to be launching these products at, I think, the optimal time. So there was a project that people know about. It's like a time staking project that launched early, like 2019 or something. And they did major moves. And part of the reason why they did major moves is because they launched when ETH was like $200, and they were paired with ETH. And there was a lot of like centralized, buying and manipulation and stuff going on. When that caused major price pumps. But I would say the main contributor was the fact that the underlying asset that they were paired with did I don't know, 40x or something, like, crazy move. That's huge, because that gives you a lot of wiggle room. Like, if your paired asset is pumping, then when your asset's pumping, you're going to pump even harder. And when you have a correction, you could still be moving up, even though you're having some sales. So it's, there's nothing like launching in a bull run. It's there's no way to recreate something like that. And I think that we'll largely have that on our side. But the even if the market was to remain stable, I'm cool with that too. And really, from my perspective, of course, the market could go lower, but at this point, it can't go that much lower. So, this is why I started DCAing into BNB and ETH and some of the major assets last month and over the past couple months, is because the way I see it, if we did a 50% correction, here, like in ETH or Bitcoin or whatever, I can live with that. I'm not over leveraged. I have a long time horizon. Fine, it's no big deal. And the reason why it's no big deal is because the upside is massive. It's it's huge. I think the next bull run could be, especially for DeFi, and not could be. It's going to be. I'm confident it's going to be the largest bull run we've had yet, because the last bull run really allowed for the foundation to be built in DeFi. It allowed a lot of very good platforms to be established. It built the infrastructure. It allowed, the chain links and the dexes to get set up and build the infrastructure, and also bring on a ton of new investors, people that are just going to DeFi for the first time. This bull run, we have the benefit of having that infrastructure now. So, Bitcoin may only do 5x or 10x or whatever, because it's already pretty large. Now, relative to how big it can get, it's not large. It makes up a tiny portion of global markets, but it's still a pretty big market cap. But this bull run is going to be the bull run of DeFi, and I believe that we're going to blow away anything that we've done previously as far as the gains that we're going to see, and we'll see the meme tokens and all of that. But I think largely a lot of those lessons were learned, especially the people that were part of the last market. Just having a reflective reward token is not going to do it in this run. You got to do some innovation, because we've been there and done that. So I'm feeling positive about this next run.
Okay, that's it. I hope you got something from Forex's bullish opinion. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have anything to add to the conversation, and don't forget to join my Crypto Miners Telegram group, where I share all the latest DeFi news first with my community. If you like my content, please share, leave a like, or subscribe to my channel and hit the small bell icon to hear about my latest video releases first. Have a wonderful day and stay safe.